Hello everybody, welcome to my husband's channel. Today he'll be showing you how to make this strawberry syrup for a beautiful cheesecake that he's about to make. Hope y'all enjoy the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you tune in later because during the video, I got some cheese made to tell y'all some gossip about what happened at my job today. Goodbye. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'll be showing you these are the ingredients that we'll be using today for today's marmalade or whatever the fuck it's called. So we have a cup of sugar, a pound of strawberries, and we have half a lemon. You see I'm cutting off the top of the lemons. So I need to tell y'all some tea though while we're sitting here watching this cut. Today somebody got arrested. Oh yeah, so there's these two people fighting at my job, right? They was fighting, they was tussling, and for real. And then one guy said, "Wait right now, I'll be right back." He went to his car, grabbed a gun, and he came back. So the people called the police. Police arrested him or whatever. And then she was crazy, but it was really cool. But oh, now I'm dicing up the strawberries. It's not really me, it's my husband, but yeah, he's dicing up the strawberries. He's gonna put them inside the bowl. But while he's doing that, yeah. So I didn't see the whole transaction, but the people at my job was telling me, they're like, "Yeah, they started boxing. They really was tussling. The guy lost." So he was like, "I'll be right back." So he went to his car. He grabbed a gun. And he came back. Craziness. Can't believe it. Police took him away. Took that man away. But it went crazy. He came out and started popping. I don't know, I'm dumping all the sugar on top. That's the cup of sugar, and that's the half a lemon. See? Squeezing that in there. Yeah. And you're gonna let that sit. I don't know for how long. You're gonna have to ask the chef. But you gotta let that sit. Mama give out a guesstimate. Let it sit for like an hour or two. Until they turn to that syrup. See, mixing it up. You're gonna turn to that syrup. Mix. But let me tell you something. If he would have told me, stay right there, as soon as he turned his back, I would have popped him in the back of the head. Because I'm not about to let you go get that gun. Why would I let you go get a gun so you can kill me? Nah, I'm gonna pop you as soon as you turn around. That's real talk. But yeah, so you're gonna cover that right here before I put it inside the fridge. Yeah. And put that thing in the fridge for an hour. And here you have it. You're gonna put the thing in there for an hour. And then come out looking like this. This how it looking. And then you wanna put that thing in a pot. You're gonna cook it up. I don't know what temperature you put it on. I think you put it on medium heat. That's 6. I don't know if you had a good stove, electric stove, gas stove. Put it on 6. Cook it up. Yeah. Y'all excited for Fantastic Four? It comes out next week. I'm really excited. My favorite line from that movie already is, "I herald his beginning. I herald your end. I herald Galactus." Well, right now we heralding this marmalade for this cake. That's who we heralding. I herald its beginning. I herald the cheesecake is going on top of. I herald strawberry cheesecake. I like that. But we're gonna get that nice little sizzle. To get that nice little sizzle. This is what you know. We had another time skip. That's the time jump. Yeah. The final countdown. Yeah. You see that? I look like hot Cheetos or some Takis that you put in a pot, fill it up with water, and then let it boil. That's that look you want. The hot Cheeto look. Yeah. After you get that hot Cheeto look, I'm not gonna lie to you, but I think he about to lower the heat. What's that hot Cheeto look? Oh, he took it off the heat. Yeah, you take it off once you get that hot Cheeto look. Once you get that hot Cheeto look, you take it off and you test it. If it look like this, show it to the audience. That's the look you want. The hot Cheeto look. that Takis look with extra dust. You're gonna take that, you're gonna pour into another container and let it sit in the fridge. Dang, how long I've been talking? 5 minutes? Loud! Right here, this is the bowl I was talking about. Put that thing right there in the bowl. You're gonna put some plastic wrap on top of the bowl. You're gonna put it in the fridge, let it sit there. This reminds me of something. Never mind. But yeah. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Adios.